I met Raya, that's the girl's name. Martozano is her last name. I met
Okay.
her 2019. Her friends, her neighbors, her relatives were telling me that she was cheating on me. So I confronted her and I asked her about it, and she declined. She said it was all false, all a lie. Finally, I got proof picture, and I
Okay.
showed her, and she confessed that she was cheating on me, that she lied to me. I told her, and I told her, hey, you lied to me. You scammed me. 42,000 American dollars. My savings.
42,000, that's more than 2 million.
This is a fraud. I mean, this is a scammer, a gold digger. She used me. She lied to me.
Okay.
And to me, that's breaking the law.
Yeah, I know. I can help you, sir. Makakausap natin sa muli for the second time si Mr. Manuel Milena. Ewan ko, magdudugo na naman yung ilong natin dito. Nosebleed ulit tayo dito. Subukan natin. We'll do our best. At nakaredy na rin si Miss Rhea Matizano, yung inireklamo niyang OFW from Qatar, yung Pinay. Umpisa natin kay Sir Manuel. Mr. Manuel Milena, good evening to you, sir, in California, and good afternoon from here in the Philippines.
How you doing, sir?
Are you
Good
feeling?
afternoon.
Are you feeling better, sir? The fact that you'll be able to talk to Rhea now. She's on the
No.
phone, ready to talk to you. Okay.
I don't have nothing to say to Ray.
Rhea Matizano, magandang hapon sa iyo, Miss Rhea. Ma'am
Magandang
Rhea.
hapon po, Sir Rafi.
Okay. Do you know Manuel Milena?
Si Manuel Medina po, isa po yung naging boyfriend ko.
Naging
Isang
boyfriend mo?
taon.
Okay. Would you like to talk to him because he's accusing you of scamming him?
Sir, pwede po ba
Tagalog?
hindi po kasi masyado po sa sa English eh.
Pero kung hindi ka marunong sa English, paano po kayo nakapag-communicate? Paano kayo nakapaghingi ng maraming pera sa kanya? Kung kapos kayo sa English, I would assume it was all done in English and said in English. So, at least, do your best.
Okay po, itatry ko po yung best
Yeah.
ko po.
Yes, ma'am.
Na
Yes, ma'am.
ma-explain po sa kanya.
Go ahead, ma'am. He's listening now.
Hello, Manuel.
Hi, Rhea. You can speak English, so why can't you speak English? We talked for
Okay.
over 2 years.
Okay,
So
okay,
come
okay.
on, talk to me. Tell me what you want to say.
Okay.
I'm listening to you.
I know,
Tell me.
I know from the start, okay, you know from the start that you're the one who want to send money to support me and you don't want me to go back to work abroad, right? So I agree. We both agree that you will support me.
We agreed
You
to
will
marry.
send money
to me?
what I want.
We agreed to get married,
And
but
then
the pandemic
The
stopped.
only-
Stop
yes,
me.
we will get married when you go to the Philippines. But the problem is the COVID came, and then you didn't go to the Philippines. And the only problem is I'm a human only. I'm a human. Then I fall from that person. You know that already. I didn't expect to fall in love with that person who there with me. That's only the problem, right, for you. And then about
You
the
were-
money you
you
send,
were-
you know everything
Rhea,
where I used your
Rhea,
money.
Rhea, you were sleeping with Porto and still calling me, telling me that you love me, and still I was still sending you for the house. But as I went to sleep, you were still awake because of the time change, and you would go to Porto's house and sleep with him. Tell me you not.
But
You
but
did not do it.
Manuel, but Manuel,
neighbor-
why
your
why
neighbors
now
tell
you
me.
why now you said 2 million, but before you posted only 1 million. How
You
the
do
first
it,
the
ma'am.
first post
Look at
you
look at all the
But-
receipts. Look at the receipts for the jewelry, for the material to the house, but even for the lot. You asked for the lot.
Manuel, the
You
house,
asked for the
Manuel,
you asked
listen
for
first.
grocery. I paid the bills. I paid for birthday parties for your mom, your dad, you, and your son.
Listen, Manuel, the
I have-
house is not yet finished, not yet fully
You-
furnished.
you-
I mean, not yet
it's-
finished
no,
the house.
It's not finished inside. All it needs is paint. Well, I stopped the house because I got tired of your
Listen,
teaching. I got tired
listen,
of your
Manuel.
lying.
Only you
And-
bought from
And
your
then-
money
and
the
then-
aircon,
and
the
then
cabinet,
when
yes,
I
the
saw-
table,
and
the
when I saw
house. You're
pictures
the one
of- when I
who
saw
give
pictures-
you
when
send
I
money
saw
for the
pictures of
house.
you in
But
Porto,
about the ref,
you
the
blocked me.
motorcycle, No, you didn't give me money to buy that. That's my money.
And you weren't working. How were you saving money if you're not working? You had to not work 2020 years.
The
You did
motorcycle,
not
the
work.
scooter. Listen, you post before the first. You post the first you post the motorcycle. You buy that one, right? But no, that's my money. Year 2018. But when I go back
You're
to the
talking about.
Philippines year 2019, yes, you give money for the
about your
monthly.
gas scooter. You're talking about your gas scooter. I'm telling you
But
about.
now I'm still paying that motorcycle, the scooter.
I'm talking about the Kubo style home you built on his mom and dad's property. Like which you didn't think I knew about, but your neighbors
Okay, sorry.
told me all about it.
Sorry.
They-
Okay,
they
I'm a
showed me
scammer. I'm a
pictures.
gold digger. Okay,
People
now you want that.
people
You want that to hear? I'm a
people you
scammer. I'm
trusted
a gold
told
digger.
me.
But sorry for that.
Everybody you trusted told me
I
all
didn't
your
mean
life.
to.
Everything you did to me was a lie. You saved my money to buy a refrigerator. Save my money to buy a table.
Not
Save my
everything is
money
a
to-
lie, Manuel. Not everything is a lie.
Not everything
You know
is
that.
a lie because
You
if it
post
wasn't, if it
only
wasn't
my
a
bad
lie,
side.
we would not
You
be
didn't
here.
post my good
If it
side.
was
You
not a
didn't
lie,
post
we
your
would not
bad
be here.
side. Only
It
my
was a lie because
bad
you
side.
lied. You lied to everything. You were fooling me. You were fooling me. I was sending you money to build our home, and you were sleeping with him.
Yes, I cheated on you, and I really, really say sorry that before, right? How many times I say sorry to you? Yes, I admitted I cheated on you, and okay, I asked money from you, but you said always you send. You
But I
help me,
loved
right?
you. That's why.
just
I
help
loved
me.
you. I loved you. That's why. I thought you were
just
were
helped
special
me.
to me. You were
I
special.
didn't force you to send. I asked only you, and then you said,
No,
"Okay, I will help
did,
you."
No, you're right. You're right. You didn't force me.
One thing,
You
Manuel,
asked me,
you post
and I
only
gave it to you.
my bad side,
You asked, and I gave it to you.
not also my good side.
Hold on, hold on.
You
You
didn't-
guys, can I talk? Can I talk? Manuel and Rhea? Rhea, listen to me. The reason why he's been sending money to you, despite the fact you've been telling all along that it wasn't you asking for that money and he was sending it voluntarily, because he was expecting that you will be true to your words, that you will marry him. But it didn't happen, okay? Because you're already sleeping with somebody else. Now, from the moment that you cheated on him, you should stop accepting money from him. That's the point. You follow?
Sir, I just used my brain, sir, because of the pandemic. Also, I want to go. I want to apply abroad.
That's no brainer.
I want
Okay, so you're saying you're using your brain to be practical. You accepted the money even
But
though
in
you
a
know that
good
you're not
way,
going to marry
sir.
him. Is that
But
is
in
that
a
what
good
you're
way,
saying?
Sir Rafi.
Is
But
that
in a good way, not in a bad way.
I know. Okay, so what you're saying now is you're just trying to be practical because you needed the money and it's pandemic, so you spend the money for something that would be useful to you and your family, which is for the construction of your house, right? But
There is, sir.
but are you not ashamed? Still, you cheated on him and you were scamming him. Otherwise, if you don't have any intention from the start to marry this guy, you should not be accepting money from him. Even though
But, sir,
you're
when
saying
I-
that, tatagalogin ko para maintindihan mo, parang sinasabi mo kapit sa patalim, kaya pinatulan mo na lang yung pagtanggap ng mga pera, you should not have done that. And I know you said you kept on saying sorry to him and he kept on accepting your apologies. But aren't you ashamed, Mom? You should stop
Yes,
accepting
sir.
money from him. Even though he
But-
would tell you, I'll send you money, I would like to support you, you could have said, no, I don't want your money anymore, Manuel, I'm sorry. You should have at least volunteered to give back some of the monies that he'd given you because you know that you don't have any intention of marrying him.
Pero sir, hininto ko naman po yung paghihingi niya nung simula na nag-apply po ako.
Okay, go ahead, tell him.
But Manuel, I already stopped asking money to you, right? When I start applying work abroad.
You asked for money when you were aboard. You asked for a new phone.
That's why
Remember
that's
that?
why I apply
You
work
remember that
abroad.
for
So
a phone?
I stopped asking
And I
money from you.
And I didn't send it to you. You asked for money for a birthday party for your son. for your mom, your dad. Remember, you were in Manila, and you still asked for money. So don't tell me you did not ask. Because you're lying.
Yes, I
You're
know that.
lying,
Yes, I
you're
know that.
lying in front of-
But that
in
was
front
the
of
last.
people.
That was
You're
the last.
lying now. Don't lie, please. I had enough of your lies already. Be honest. Be
I'm a
honest with
liar.
yourself.
No, who's the one who's?
God is watching
I'm not a
you.
liar.
Okay? You're not a liar. You're not a liar. You're saying you're not a liar. What were you doing?
I'm a
What
liar
were you
also, but
doing
you're
when
a
the house was
liar
being
also,
built?
Manuel.
You were sleeping with somebody, and when I told you about it, you said you denied it.
Okay, hold on. Sir Manuel, I need to get this statement from Rhea. I want her answer to this because he just alleged that you are a liar as well. What made you say that, Rhea, that Manuel is a liar, just like you?
Sir, may marami din yun siyang babae, sir.
Okay.
Kahit kami pa.
Do you have a proof?
Yes, I have here, sir.
Okay. Do you have pictures? Because he has some pictures. He sent us.
I
you
will
with
send
this-
pictures, sir.
you-
I will send picture the person who sent to me, sir. That was her ex.
Her ex.
Her ex before.
He had an ex-girlfriend, Filipina girlfriend here in the Philippines?
Yes, before, sir, from Tugigaraw.
So he was having a relationship with this girl from Tugigaraw while having a relationship with you at the same time?
Before, sir, that girl already her ex before me.
No, ma'am, what I'm saying is you have to have proof that Mr. Manuel Milena was cheating on you or was having a relationship with another girl while
Sir, may
he was having a relationship with you.
Nag-send po siya ng mga message po sa akin dito, sir.
Who did?
Isi-send ko po.
The girl from Tugigaraw?
Opo.
Okay. Is it true, Mr. Milena,
What?
that you were also unfaithful to her?
No.
You've been unfaithful to her
That's
because
a
you were
lie.
having a
That's
relationship
lie.
with someone
That's a lie.
in
That is a
Tugigaraw?
lie, Raya. You don't bring Gurley in this. She's 2016. 2016. Before I even knew who you were.
Oh, okay. So that was before you came to know
Way
Rhea.
Before.
Okay.
2016.
Rhea, so
Sir?
the girl in Tugigaraw that you were mentioning, that girl was his girlfriend way before he came to know you.
Before, sir. Before we met.
That's right. So
online.
so that shouldn't be counted.
Yes, sir. But
Before you came to his life, listen, Rhea, before you came to his life, that was his girlfriend, and he admitted it. But when you came into his
before
life,
me, sir,
he
before
broke
me,
up with
even
that girl,
That ex, sir, before me, she still have another girl, sir.
another girl.
The ex told me.
Oh, come on. Then that's hearsay. The ex told you. I was asking you to show some evidence, pieces of evidence, to prove that,
I
in fact,
already
Manuel.
sent, sir. I already sent.
But that was before, Rhea. That was before.
Yes, sir, before.
Exactly. So you shouldn't be. That shouldn't be counted because when this guy met you, he broke up with all the girls that you were trying to accuse him of.
Sir, even we're together, sir. We're in a relationship. She's still talking to other girls.
Now
I'm
she's
Manuel.
desperate. She's desperate now. You're desperate, Raya. Don't be desperate. Don't be lying. God is
I
watching you.
already sent an evidence, Manuel.
You show me the evidence, Raya. Show me the evidence
Why?
that I was
already
bad
sent
to you.
Sir Rafi.
I
Why
was
should I
never
send you?
bad to
Nandiyan
you.
na ba evidence?
Never bad to you, Rhea. Never. I would never bad to you. I treated you like a queen. Whatever you wanted, I got you like that. You wanted money for a party, for the house, for food, for bills. I got you like that. I gave it to you. And you cheated on me and still asked for it. And now you're going to lie. In front of all these people, you're going to lie. You're desperate. Don't be desperate. God is watching you.
Listen, Manuel, and you said I bought a motorcycle for my boyfriend. I didn't bought a motorcycle. That's her motorcycle before we were not together. And then he sell it and buy new one.
He had a red motorcycle, and then in August he suddenly had a black one, brand new, when you asked for like 60,000 pesos from me, then suddenly he had a black motorcycle. And your friends even told me, you got him
Okay,
that.
Manuel, and
Your
then
friends
what you
told
want?
me-
What
your
you want
friends
now?
told me
What you want to do?
even built
Okay,
the
okay, hold on.
the Cuba
So we
style-
can settle this one.
All right, Manuel. Now,
Yes.
she's asking
Yes, sir.
you, what is it that you want now?
I want everything back, Raya. I want everything back.
Trabaho din po ako
Everything.
dito, sir.
Okay.
Everything back. I want everything back.
All right.
Everything.
Okay, he wants everything back, Rhea. That's what he just said. He wants it back.
Cent, every penny.
Every penny, up to the last
Okay,
centavo.
how can I pay that? You want me to pay? But I cannot pay you that the whole. You know, I'm only OFW here. How much only my salary and
Okay,
I have
why not
also
sell the
a
hold on, Manuel, hold on, Rhea.
responsibility.
Why not sell the house and lot?
The Cuba home and the house and lot and the motorcycle.
Okay, so how much
And the refrigerator,
how much is the house and
everything.
lot? Miss Rhea, how much is it?
Sir, sorry sir. Anong ibig niya pong sabihin ng motorcycle, sir?
Okay, forget about the motorcycle. We'll talk about that later. First things first, the house and lot, how much does it cost? How much is it right now, today's value?
Sir, the house and lot, sir.
Yes.
Not all his money, sir. We also have that money from the house we.
I know. How much is it worth right now? Just answer my question, please. How much is it worth, do you think?
Wala nga siguro 1,000,000 yan, sir. Hindi pa nga po tapos.
Okay, go ahead and sell that house and then sell some properties so that the 2 million pesos that he said you owe him, he can recoup that 2
Ilang
million
buwan lang po
pesos.
siya nakabigay ng pangbayad ng buwan-buwan niya, sir. Ngayon nga po ako nga po nagbabayad ng buwan-buwan.
Okay.
Simula nung una.
Mr. Manuel,
Yes. Yes,
okay,
sir.
can you show receipts and proof that the money she owes you amounts to 2 million pesos at least? Do you have proof? Because as soon as you're able to show us those pieces of evidence, and we will show it to her, and after verifying that, in fact, she really did receive all those monies, then she might come up with that amount that you want back from her.
I gave you a handful of receipts already.
Okay. So far, these
I
handful, yes, sir, I understand, sir. But so far, these receipts that you gave us does not total to 2 million pesos. It's not close.
I got more. I
Okay,
didn't send
go ahead.
all of them.
All right, go ahead. Send us more. Send us all those documents that you have, all those receipts that you have. Okay.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
after we receive those receipts, we'll send a copies of those to her. And after she reviews those documents, then we can talk about how much money she needs to give back to you, probably to sale of her properties, like the house and
She
lot,
needs to sell the
motorcycles,
house.
etc. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So,
I mean, I built the house.
all right. So,
All my
Rhea,
money went to the house.
Rhea,
All my money went to everything that's in the house.
Sir, wala
I
naman
pray-
po kaming pinirmahan, sir. Wala po siyang pinirmahan dun sa bahay at sa lupa.
Rhea, even though there was no signed agreement between the two of you that the house and lot are co-owned by you and him, still, the fact that you made a promise to him to marry him in exchange for all these monies, properties, house and lot, jewelries, in exchange, he's been giving that to you in exchange for, listen to this, for marrying him, but it didn't happen. That's why you might have a case. Here's Attorney Garrett. Attorney Garrett, what do you think?
In this case, what we have is probably a case for swindling.
Swindling.
If I use estafa, I don't think Mr. Manuel Molina can understand. It's more colloquially known in U.S. jurisdiction as swindling.
Swindling.
When we say swindling, it's a matter of deceit or a means of fooling someone into giving somebody else money. In this case, I think Rhea Matizano feigned his or her relationship with Mr. Manuel Molina in order for him to dispense cash, which Rhea redirected in order to buy property and a motorcycle.
Plus, Rhea's been promising him that I will marry you, Manuel.
Yes.
And that's why these poor guys keep giving her money.
Yes.
Because of the promise that she will marry him.
Yes. Both in United States and here in the Philippines, when we're talking about breach of promise to marry, there's no crime in that alone.
Okay.
But when you use marriage as a means of fooling someone, in
Marriage
order
is a
to,
way of getting money
in order
from
to swindle someone, yes.
Swindle someone, okay.
Then that's when it becomes a crime. Here we call it estafa. In English, it's swindling, but regardless of what you call it, it's a crime. So
It's a crime.
Yes,
So there's a crime
there's a crime
attached to
here.
it.
Yes.
Okay. Did you hear that, Ms. Rhea?
Yes po.
Okay. So you have a crime of staffa or swindling in America, because there's no such thing as staffa in the U.S.
I don't think so.
They don't understand what staffa is all
They
about.
don't use the Spanish translation. Estafa is Spanish for swindling.
Spanish for swindling. Well, Mr. Manuel is Spanish, so he would
Oh,
understand.
yeah.
Estafa, you understand, Mr. Manuel, what estafa is? Okay. See? Se entiende estafa. Mujer estapadora? See? Sabi usted, muy malo mujer estapadora.
Yeah.
See? No. For you. Okay. But it has to be proven in court.
Yes, sir.
It still has to be proven
You still
in
have
court.
to go to court to prove that indeed there was no intent to marry in the first place.
Exactly. So, Mr. Manuel, how much money would you like Rhea to refund or give back to you?
All of it.
Like how much? Do you have an amount?
I'm going to send you the receipts, all my receipts. I'll add them up. I'll now give you the total amount, and the total amount that I give you with the receipts is what I want back.
So how's that, Attorney Garrett? So he wants every single penny back, but he would support that with receipts. So
Yes.
all those receipts or all those money that are covered by receipts, those are the only ones that Rhea needs to pay back.
That sounds fair, both in law and if we're talking about practicality.
That, please.
Manuel,
What?
if you want me to pay, I will pay, but no need to sell the house or other properties. I can pay you like slowly because you know my responsibility in the Philippines, right? At saka isa po sir, may ano po ako sa Pilipinas, may loan po ako na binabayaran.
Okay, tell him that. Go ahead. He might understand.
And then
He might
Manuel,
consider. He
I have
might be
loan.
considerate. Go ahead.
I
Tell
have
him that.
loan, I pay monthly, every month.
No, I don't trust you. You lied to me. I don't trust you. Sell the house. I don't trust
Only
you.
a favor, Manuel.
I
Only
do
a
not
favor.
trust you.
Favor.
I don't trust
if
you.
you want, I
Okay.
will pay
You
you.
could
But
you could
but no
disappear.
need to sell the house.
You could disappear. You could disappear, and
No,
I'm
Manuel.
Miss
Manuel,
Girl.
listen. She will not disappear. I guarantee you that. This is what we're going to do. I'll have you and Rhea talk after this show, off air. I'll let you, both of you, talk until the wee hours of the night later. And then tomorrow we'll get back to the both of you. By then, you would have made some agreements as to what will be the mode of payments and how would it be paid. Is it okay by you?
I don't trust her monthly payments. No, I
No.
don't trust her. No,
No,
I'll tell you
Manuel.
right now. No. I don't trust her. I don't trust her. Look how long it took for us to get hold of her. She hid.
Manuel,
No. I don't trust her. It took you 2 days to try to get hold of her. All
Manuel,
the numbers she changed.
but do you trust me? Can you trust me?
I trust you.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you, sir.
I do
Thank you,
trust
sir. Just trust me on this. Okay, I'll have you talk to you and Rhea should be talking off air for a couple of hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, and then we'll get back to you tomorrow. Now, whatever has been discussed by you and Rhea, you let us know. And if you think you're not satisfied with the discussion made by the both of you, then that is the only time that we're going to find some solution, maybe legal solution to your problem. And here's Attorney Garrett listening to us. And he's going to make it happen. Okay? But for now, I need you and Rhea to talk off air. Rhea and you should be talking. It could be 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, depending on how long the conversation would last until you guys can come up with an agreement that will be mutual for the both of you. Okay, sir?
Sell
Okay.
the house.
Okay, Rhea, don't hang up.
Sir?
Don't hang up. I'll let you talk to Manuel off air, okay? And then we'll get back to the both of you
Okay, sir.
tomorrow, okay? Mr. Manuel, I'll talk to you again tomorrow, same time. Is that okay?
Yes.
Same time. Just
Yes,
trust
sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Rhea. Don't hang up.
Thank
Okay.
you po, sir.
Talk to Manuel right after this. Okay. Nadugo ang ilong ko. Nosebleed ako.
He's very angry.
Huh?
He's very angry.
Of course, I don't blame the guy.
Yes.
I really don't.
And the good thing is, she uses her brain.
Okay.
But not for, it's for scamming. But kasi
Tagalog-ulit mo na
in-English
lang.
ko pa kasi-
Ginamit, ang sinasabi niya, ginamit niya ang utak niya.
Ginamit niya yung
Hindi.
utak niya, idol.
Oh, na kumbaga, naghihirap, pandemic, kaysa magnakaw, parang yun natin pinupunto niya, kaysa magnakaw, gumawa ng kasamaan, pinirahan ko kumuha ko ng pera di sa sweetheart ko at ginamit ko naman sa kabutihan at hindi sa kalokohan. Parang yun ang pinupunto ni Ma'am Rhea.
Apo.
Alright. So, tingnan natin kung ano mapag-usapan nila between now hanggang bukas ng umaga, pagkahapon, kakausapin natin sila. Pag hindi silang kasundo, demandahan namin, madideport. Okay?